Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is Heropost and Blaze AI. Just get started with a quick overview. Heropost is a budget-friendly, all-in-one social media management platform designed for scheduling, automation, analytics, and managing client account. It's especially popular with agencies and freelancers looking for a scalable platform to perform across multiple channels like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So talking about Blaze AI on the other side is an AI-powered content repurposing and generation tools, turning long-term or long-form content, maybe blog, newsletter, or podcast, into social ready contents like carousel, threads, reels, and posts. It focus more on automating content creation than social publishing. And talking about what these two platforms are best for, so starting with the Heropost. Heropost is best for social media managers, small agencies who need an affordable publishing or a management tools. Then on the other side, talking about Blaze AI is best for content creators, marketers needing AI generated posts from existing content. And talking about the downside about this platform, starting with the Heropost, they have no AI content writing or a repurposing features. Together with the UI can feel dated compared to modern tools. Yeah, talking about the downside of Blaze AI, no built-in social scheduling or analytics, and also the usage limited by credits, so the subscription size can be a little bit pricey. And talking about the price plan of the Blaze AI, starting around $99 per month, credit-based model. And here's a viral conclusion about these two platforms. So you can simply choose the Hero Post if you were focused on scheduling posts, managing tools, and social media accounts, and working with a teams or client on a budget. Then you can simply go for Blaze AI if your top priority is automating content creation at scales, especially if you already have a long form content to repurpose. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two AI platforms. Thanks.